right, hey everybody, it's Margo here at My Favorite Quilt Store. I want to show you this kit called the Purrfect Halloween Quilt Kit. And it is so much fun. It's by Riley Blake, and it is this very cute cat. Here you can see the back of the box, shows you the whole quilt. Everything you need for this perfect Halloween quilt is in, and it's perfect because of the cat. So you take the sleeve off. It comes in this beautiful black box with the Riley Blake insignia on top. Let's open this quilt kit up, and I might even have it upside down. It has a great color picture directions on how to make the quilt, color instructions on how to make the quilt. It's got templates inside to do the large piece of the hat of the on the cat, so that you can paper piece that. It has all the fun fabrics from the Whimsy collection. Here's some fat quarters to do for the quilt. Here's some little bit bigger pieces. It has all kinds of fun fabric from the Whimsy collection. The background of the quilt is this off-white watercolor. And then it has orange and black for the cat and the bigger pieces of orange that you need inside the quilt. And then all this fun fabric from Halloween Whimsy for the quilt kit. Anyway, I know you're going to enjoy this quilt. It looks like it's perfectly fun to do. Perfectly. Hey, thanks for joining us, and y'all have a happy day. Happy quilting.